guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making Armenian Shish Kebab. My family's heritage, and this is our tradition of making it. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as my family and I do. We're gonna get started now. We got more than 2.5 pounds of lamb shoulder. Putting it in 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we're gonna marinate this on the skewer and eat them. Marinate it, and then we're gonna take the rest of the bones off tomorrow. Marinate, and we're gonna put them on skewers and pop them in the grill. We're just gonna season these overnight. About, I want to say 3 pounds lamb shoulder. Okay, so we got our pieces in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start seasoning them. We're gonna put a whole teaspoon and a half of ground cumin. Next thing we're gonna add is, I like to put a tablespoon of salt. Season it all in there. Next thing we're gonna put is some black pepper. Black pepper in. We crushed and cut 3 garlic cloves. We put those in. Cut a whole onion. Put the whole onion in. There. And we're gonna put in a handful of parsley and cilantro. A lot of them don't usually put cilantro in it. I like putting it in because it gives it extra flavor. So does my family. It's not fully traditional, but add a couple ingredients. We got 2 whole tomatoes. We're gonna put in there. We cut. I'm gonna put them in there. Another teaspoon and a half of oil. And 1 cup. A lot of people put tomato paste in. I don't like putting it in. There's already tomato in there. I don't want to overpower it. 1 cup of pomegranate juice. Pouring in there. Mix it around. I'll show you it mixed. And then put it on the grill. Right back. Alright guys, welcome back. We just mixed it. We're gonna cover this and marinate it overnight. We're gonna do the barbecue tomorrow on the fire on the grill so you guys can see it. So stay tuned. When we come back guys, we'll be grilling it. Hey guys, welcome back. We just put our lamb skewers on the fire and the grill. We're gonna let it cook. We're gonna flip it. 5 minutes, check each side, and stay tuned, there'll be a lot more. Alright guys, welcome back. We're gonna flip our meat now. It smells amazing. Look at the colors. We're getting it on the fire, we're burning it, getting a nice color to it. And guys, we're gonna move this big boy over here. Again, we'll show you guys. We'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's check our meat. We're gonna flip it. There we go. Get that nice color. Coming out perfect. Smells amazing. Mixing it up. To flip the big boy. There we go. Alright guys, we're gonna give it another 10 minutes. We're gonna check it. Looks awesome, smells awesome. We'll be back guys. Hey guys, welcome back. We just finished cooking our kebabs. So we're gonna put them on the tray and show you what they look like. We're gonna leave one of them in there to cook a little longer, but look, this is our kebabs. We finished all of them. Smells good, tasty, ready to eat. Please like and subscribe to the channel. There'll be a lot more recipes to come. Until next time, be safe guys. Take care. Bye.